Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're drawing Cinnamoroll from Sanrio, but with a fun little twist. He's all dressed up for Halloween and sitting inside a pumpkin. Grab your sketchbook and let's get started. All right, first up, let's draw the eyes of our sweet little Cinnamoroll. You know how cute and sparkly they always are, so I'm keeping them big and round, just like the original. Next, we'll move on to the nose. Now we'll add the chin and the rest of the face, keeping everything soft and round, just like a cinnamon bun, honestly. Let's go ahead and draw both ears. Nice and floppy, stretching out to the sides. Now comes the fun Halloween part. We're giving him a spooky little witch hat. I'm making it just slightly tilted for that extra cuteness. And of course, let's add a little candy stuck to the side, trick-or-treat style. Okay, now onto the pumpkin part. Let's start by drawing the pumpkin's eyes. A little creepy, but still keeping it cute. I'm giving it kind of a mischievous look. Now for the creepy pumpkin smile, like it's glowing from the inside. Next, let's draw the top part of the pumpkin, rounding it out nice and chubby. Now we're going to draw both of Cinnamoroll's little hands popping out from the sides of the pumpkin, and we'll add both legs at the bottom, just below the pumpkin so it looks like he's sitting down. The sketch is done, now it's time for the fun part, coloring. I'm going to use some soft blues for Cinnamoroll, classic orange for the pumpkin, and maybe add some purples and greens to give the hat and candy some extra Halloween magic. And we're done. Here's our final drawing of Halloween Cinnamoroll in a pumpkin. Super cute, a little spooky, and totally ready for trick-or-treating. If you liked this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave me a comment with what you want to see me draw next. Thanks so much for watching, and have a happy, spooky, creative Halloween.